We're back with another video on the Yamaha YZF600R, and today we're going to be replacing the back brakes. Alright, removing these rear brake pads on this bike are fairly easy. Yours will actually have a cover right here. This bike's missing it. But you'll just give it a little pinch and it comes out of the groove right here, and you pull it right off. And then the next step is you've got these little pins here, right there and right there, and you want to lift those out, and they're like little cotter pin type pins. I think I just missed that with the video. Got one out, and then you grab the next one, pull it out, and then you want to pull out these rods here. One. You definitely want to use some needle nose pliers to do this. And the retaining clip just flew out, but after you pull those pins out, then you take the retaining clip out, and then brake pads should just lift right out. Probably going to be in there pretty good since I think they're still under pressure. There it goes. And you can see how bad these ones are. Alright, got both brake pads out now. And something I like to do, because as you can see the piston is still pushed out to the size of the old brake pads, which had nothing left. What I like to do is take the old brake pad, stick it in there, and just give it a push and a pull like that. And it'll push the piston back in there. And do that on both sides here. Alright, we got both pistons pushed in now. So now it's time to put the new brake pads in. Here's the difference between the old one and the new one. You can see how worn down the old one was. There was literally no pad left. Alright, installation is just in reverse of the way we took them out. Slide your new pads in place, and you want to see these holes on the pads line up with the holes in your caliper here. About there. That's about it there. Alright, this next step is going to take both hands, so I'll just tell you what's going to happen. You want to take your, this thing's actually called pad spring. I've been calling it the retaining clip, but those little clips that go in the rods here are the retaining clips, and this is the pad spring. And so you're going to stick the pad spring in here, like so. and then you're going to put your rod in, and it goes over these lips here on your pad spring, and that's what keeps pressure holding these pads down. And so since that's going to take 2 hands, I'm going to cut away and come back after I've got that in. Alright, so you got that pad spring in. You see the lips on the pad spring go underneath the rods that we put in. And now all that's left is to put these retaining clips in. Let's see. And they go right into the hole, into these rods here. Just like that. Turn this one so the hole is up. Easier to get to. There's the next one. Come on. Oops. Right there. Yeah, all back in there. New pads. Ready to rock and roll. Sorry about all the shaking and not really getting most of it on video. It's kind of tight spaces to be working in here with one hand and holding the video. So I hope this video helps you out, and thank you for watching.